is out, and I am proud to tell you that the way we have maintained the tradition, this year also our result is very good. Our highest score is 656 marks out of 720, and that is being achieved by Sakshi Hangarkar. And there are two other students who have got above 600. So basically in total 3 students have got above 600 out of 720. There are many other students who have got above 500. So overall, if we see that, it's a very good result. And apart from NEET also, this year in JEE Mains, our student Siddharth Singh has scored 99.73 percentile, which is the highest from our side. Basically, this is just the beginning, and they need to perform well in their future course of studies also, and bring good name and fame to their parents, to Stellar also, and to Goa.